Hey Lawn Care Nation, in this video we're going to talk about this guy, the Exmark Commercial 21 X Series, coming up. Hey Lawn Care Nation, as most of you guys know, I recently announced that I partnered up with Exmark Manufacturing to do some testing and reviews of some of their equipment. Now, one of the mowers that I'm going to be looking at and using throughout the course of this season is this guy right here, the 21-inch commercial offering that they have in their X Series line. Now, as a lot of you guys know, I have used exclusively the Honda HRC 216 for the past 13 years, and this will be the first time that I'm using anything other than that particular mower. So I'll be focusing in on a lot of the differences between the two mowers, and we'll be doing a lot of comparisons between those two mowers to see just how well this unit performs in comparison to what I've been used to in the past 13 years. So what I've mentioned in the past as well is that I work in some of the toughest conditions, I think, for mowing. And that is the fact that I'm in the Pacific Northwest and it rains a whole lot here. Probably for most of the year it is constantly raining, and that means that we have to go out, we have to mow lawns, rain or shine. So this mower will be put to the test in those tough, wet conditions, particularly here in the spring where the growth is insane and you get that really tall growth from week to week, and it's always wet, and you just have to go out, you have to get those lawns done. So like I said, this mower will be put to the test throughout this next year. So if you're interested in this particular Exmark mower, and you have questions or you want to see how well it performs compared to my opinions on the Honda HRC 216, then stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified right away when I make videos like this. So let's go over some of the specs on this particular unit. So this unit is a 21-inch cut, of course, and it features a bag as well as a mulch plug standard. It comes with a 5-inch deep, quarter-inch thick cast dye aluminum deck. So that's a feature that I'm looking really forward to as well here in regards to mowing in the rain a lot. With my Hondas that I've owned in the past with that steel deck, over time those start to rust out quite a bit, even to the point where there's holes coming through the deck. So really looking forward to actually using an aluminum deck where it won't be affected by the rain. So this unit features a adjustable height system, and it can go from anywhere from a 1-inch cut all the way to a 4.5-inch cut in half-inch increments. It features Exmark's patented height adjustment system. The front wheels, you pull up on a pin here, and the entire wheel actually comes out, and you can see a whole bunch of holes here with the corresponding heights that you want to put them at. So basically you just pull that pin in, slide the wheel in, and there you go. Do the same to the other side to the exact same hole, and you've got the height adjusted. On the rear, you have a single lever that can raise and lower the rear two wheels at the same time. You simply pull up on the lever and you can raise and lower the deck. This unit features the Kawasaki FJ180V commercial motor with 179cc displacement. It has a large 1-gallon fuel tank. It features a dual element air cleaner that's simple to service. You can just twist this off here, and there's your air cleaner, your outer shell, your outer filter, and then your inner filter. Pop that back in, put your cover in. Very easy to service, no tools required. On the other side of the motor, the unit features an automotive style oil filter. It's got your throttle with your choke control right here, and it's got your fuel shut off right here in line, easy to access if you ever need to turn the fuel off. Along the bottom edge of the deck, you have a protective steel wear strip that goes along that whole bottom edge. On the front, you have a engine guard that protects the air cleaner as well as the front of the motor. With the included bagger, it features a very easy to take off system. You basically just lift off this flap and lift out the bag. Another really neat feature of the bag is the very large opening, making it very easy to dump out the contents. So as I mentioned earlier, the mower also comes with an included mulch plug. Simply lift open the flap, unclip the bottom of the plug there, and slide it out. If you want to mulch, stick the plug back in, let it clip in place, and you're good to go. So this unit is also self-propelled. It features a rear-wheel drive belt-driven system that's infinitely variable from 0 to 4.2 miles per hour just using the lever here. So the more you squeeze the lever, the faster it's going to go. Now also, the blade system on this has a BBC, or blade brake clutch system. So this basically allows you to start the engine to warm it up without having that blade spinning. This is also a great feature if you ever have to move from one location to another location, or you have to cross over turf areas with maybe gravel pathways or other areas that you don't want to engage the blades, but you don't want to have to turn off the engine each and every time you have to move the mower. So once the motor is running and warmed up and you want to engage those blades, you simply press down on this safety release, pull down on this lever, and the blades will start spinning. When you're done your mowing or you want to move to another area without the blades spinning, you just release the bail and the system locks in place. The blades will stop spinning, but the engine remains running, and it lets you use the self-propel system in the meantime to move the mower from location to location without any worry of the blades hitting anything underneath. So as you can see from the underneath of the deck here, that it uses a single blade system for both mulching and bagging. And that cast aluminum deck has some really nice contours underneath with no channels or grooves, unlike the Honda commercial mower. So there's less areas for grass to build up and collect. Also makes it way easier to clean that deck out by hand when you need to remove that wet grass. Another nice feature that I'm noticing right away is that the BBC, or blade brake clutch system, is completely covered here with this black cover. With the Honda mower, this is completely exposed, and you get that wet grass, you get debris all into the springs and the clutch system, messing that up. So it's nice that this is completely sealed off and protects those components. Now this mower also features an easy access cover here to access that belt drive system. You simply pull back on the tab and lift the cover open. That's going to give you access to the top side of the belt if you ever need to check it or if you're reinstalling a new one. So there you have it, Lawn Care Nation. That concludes our first look at the Exmark Commercial 21-inch X Series mower. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in this mower, or you're interested in comparisons between this mower and the Honda HRC 216, be sure that you're following this channel, that you're subscribed to this channel, so that you'll see the videos that I'll be putting out on this particular unit as I start mowing with it on a daily basis, and make this unit my predominant mower for the 2019 season. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you use the Exmark Commercial 21-inch X Series mower in your lawn care business and what you like or dislike about this unit. Also, if you have any questions about this particular mower or any comparisons you want to see between this mower and the Honda HRC 216, leave those also in the comments below. So if you'd like to watch another video on Exmark products, I'll leave another one for you to watch up here in this corner, or I'll leave another video for you to watch down here in this corner. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.